UNESCO has been working and continues to work with China in order to protect the pandas because I believe that it is one of those extraordinary examples of an endangered species. I think the first and foremost it should start with the recognition that when it comes to environmental protection, endangered species or climate, there are no political borders because it doesn't recognize political borders. And there are plenty of international organizations and of course the United Nations, like the United Nations Environmental Programme or the World Wildlife Fund that are working in a very non-political, in a very kind of committed and with integrity to work on that. And I know that China is cooperating with these organizations very, very strongly.